happen to have a jade roller and want to depuff your face, grab an ice cube, massage the ice cube all over your face. It's gonna feel really, really cold, but it reawakens the skin. This really helps to depuff the skin.
Got me crying, got me crying,
Ever heard the saying that eyebrows are sisters, not twins? Well, mine are twins, I just have a fucking evil one. Why does it keep doing that? Why does it keep going like whoop? She could end lives, and this bitch needs as much help as she can get. So here's a trick I learned from a makeup artist. You're gonna need one of these, and if you don't have one, just steal one from Sephora. I mean, don't steal, but like, if they leave them out, they're free, right? So brush them out and fill them in like you usually do. So now the trick is to backcomb them. This will show you all the patchy spots that need extra filling in. So now when you brush them back into place, they'll look a lot more even. And now to get these girls thick and keep them in place, I use a brow gel. And that is how I get the evil twin to behave herself. Okay, hope this helped, bye!
It's Kamina. A few of you asked me to show you the process of my daytime skincare routine using African black soap, which that mush is African black soap right there. I start off by splashing my face with warm water and then rubbing the African black soap into my hands into a lather. Once I get a lather, I apply it to my face, avoiding all eyes and orifices because it burns. I apply it to my neck and on my chest. Usually I wash it off with warm water in the sink, but for the video I wanted better lighting, so here I am. Next I take a toner. This is by The Ordinary. I like to use reusable cotton pads, but they're currently in the wash, so here I am using up the rest of my supply of cotton balls. Next I take a serum. These are both vitamin C serums. I'm using Drunk Elephant and I'm applying it on my face, and oops, I made a mess. Next I apply eye serum and cream. I top it off with a moisturizer, then go in with an SPF and use Vaseline for my lips.
makeup, watch. Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first. Then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first. Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens and how amazing your fucking makeup is gonna look. And it's gonna stay on 24/7 and it's not gonna crease.
I like you, won't give a fuck about your boyfriend. Come on, let's link, can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. Treat you like you monarchy. We can slide out, touch band. Come on, let's link, can't do what I do. I can beat it up with no hands. Come on, we ain't